Right, so let me show you how to check the battery health and cycle count on your MacBook Neo. Now you can use these instructions for any other MacBook or Mac, but let's see how to do this. So you want to go to the top left corner and click on the Apple logo, and then select System Settings. Under System Settings, on the left hand side, you should see Battery. You want to click on that. Once you click on that, you can see battery health. It says normal, but if you click on this little eye icon, you can actually see the maximum capacity, which is basically your battery health. Now mine is at 100% because it's basically a new laptop. The more you use your laptop, the more this value drops. Okay, so that's the maximum capacity is your battery health. Now to see the cycle count, you kind of have to do something different. Okay, so go back to the desktop. Now before you before you click on the Apple logo, you want to press and hold the option button. Okay, so as you're pressing the option button on your keyboard, press or rather click on the Apple logo, and then now you should see system information. Click on that. That's going to open this window with all the information, detailed information about your MacBook. So on this left hand side panel again, look for power, click on that, and then under health information, you can see all your health information, including the maximum capacity, which is battery health, and the cycle count. All right, so that's why you can find all that info for your MacBook Neo or any other MacBook. Thanks for watching and good luck.